So I was playing with my mom, and then I thought, like, I saw my slime, and I was like, oh my goodness, you're gonna like the slime I just made. It's so cool. I love how it looks. And then I saw my super sticky slime, sea slime. It's sticky when you like get a lot in your hand. So then I was thinking, hey, let's decorate some slime. So I saw my dragon fruit slime. It's just like pinkish, like purple glitter. And then I thought, let's customize it. So let's do that. Get my dragon fruit slime. So satisfying. It smells like dragon fruit. It smells so good. So I was thinking this glitty one or this one. I think the glitter will go good because I already got the glitter and it's shiny. Okay, we're gonna do a quick game. It's like a game I see on YouTube, like a game in shorts. If I call your name, you'll leave the video. So I was thinking, yeah. So yeah, let's do it. If your name is Daniel, you leave. Bye. If your name is Arya, you're leaving. Bye. If your name is Adrio, bye-bye. If your name is Oscar, bye-bye. If your name is Abraham, Scoobaloo, see you later. If your name is Bradley, see you later, alligator. If your name is Joshua, I'll wipe the tears that you will make, but you gotta leave. What do you think about the slime? It looks cute. Let's see. I'm gonna send that to customize. The banana looks kind of plain, so I'm gonna put my banana with these cute little green ones. There's not really yellow charms. Let me see if there's like anyone else. I found this. I can maybe color it more yellow. Let's just go get my spoon. Yogurtland. So not read this one. I think this one. It's like a goldish. Found this yellow mochi. Yeah. Let's mix it. This is not how you mix it. With a spoon, no. Mix it with your hands. If your name is Aubrey, bye-bye. If your name is Lily, goodbye. If your name is Maya, bye-bye. Let's add a little bit more color. Yellow. Oh no, I add more color. It's already yellow. Here. And mix. Mix the color in yellow. Mix it. And mix the color in yellow. It's already yellow. What is this? It's like a goldish. Cute little one. Let's see what other song I have to customize. This one, orange. Let's get the fruits. Let's add a little bit yellow to the orange. Can't get the yellow. I'm just gonna use this red chapsticks. I have. Look at this nice little fruity one. A bit more fruits. So, guys, the reason I haven't been posting a lot of videos anymore is just I entered back to school. And I didn't really got time. I gotta do homework and read some books. And I had a test this at math today. at school. I did a video because I had some free time to make this video and play. Yeah, it's just my mom is busy. My brothers don't really play with me. They're already older. I'm the youngest child. I always wish to have like a twin sister or somebody in company in this house, I guess. I have a cat at least, but it's not the same thing. Yeah, so bye guys.